For the first part of question 3, we're looking at the review class. It has a private int member rating, a private string member comment, a public review constructor that takes in an R integer argument and a C string argument, a rating getter that's public, and a comment getter that's also public. For the review class, you'd draw this picture. You'd have a private rating member that's an integer, you'd have a private comment member that's a string, and then you'd have 3 public methods that would return rating, int, and string, and your review constructor would take in R argument that's an int, and a C argument that's a string. For the next part of question 3, we're looking at the ReviewAnalysis class. It has a private member that's a review array called allReviews. It has a public constructor. It has a public double getAverageRating method. And it has a public array list of strings collect comments method. For the ReviewAnalysis class, you draw this picture. You have a private member, allReviews, that's a review array, a ReviewAnalysis constructor that's public, a getAverageRating method that returns a double and is public, and a collect comments method that returns an array list of strings and it's public. For question 3a, you're writing the review analysis method getAverageRating, which returns the average rating of all the elements of all the reviews. For the code for 3a, you're initializing an average rating double variable to 0.0. You're going through all the reviews, so for int I equals 0, I less than all reviews.length, I++. You're giving yourself a dummy R variable, R equals the current review, and then you're adding in each rating from the dummy review, and the integer from getRating will implicitly cast to a double because that's the type of average rating. And then finally at the end, after you've totaled all the reviews up, you're dividing by the length of the number of reviews you had, and that will return the average rating. I normally make videos teaching you how to code in Java, JavaScript, and Python, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.